and welcome to IABM TV. Today I'm joined by Julian, Chief Technology Officer at Tedial. Julian, welcome to IABM TV.
Yeah, thank you, Ben.
So Julian, the global COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact on how people across the industry are working. Can you explain how Tedial customers can access their MAM from home, irrespective of whether it's an on-premise, hybrid, or full cloud solution, and continue working in a business-as-usual scenario?
Yeah, the Tedial applications, they are designed to maximize the user experience at all time. They are using, they are not using any specific hardware, and they can be deployed in multiple platforms. They use the available bandwidth for playing the video using HTML5 and MPEG streaming services. And finally, security is one of the key foundations of our applications. So if users are accessing from different locations or from different places, the security won't be any risk. And we have also some customers that have been using our system in the cloud and in hybrid environment for many years. So we are used to be doing that.
Okay. And so your hybrid cloud architecture combines the best of both worlds. Can you explain how it works and why this is beneficial to users?
Yeah, the concept of Tedial for the hybrid cloud is quite simple. It's to be offering the media from the most suitable location. For example, if we have people that are working on-premise because they have to be using editors or something, our system will be providing the content from the local storage. But if we have people that are working remotely and they need access from other locations, the content will be served from the cloud. This is really key because it will allow the users to be saving cost and optimizing the operation. And this is possible due to the A-Storm, which is our content management solution that will be abstracting the file from the physical location. So the user, they don't have to worry about where it is located. And finally, the key thing about our hybrid cloud approach is that we don't see, or sometimes the hybrid cloud is one step of moving into a full cloud operation. So we have customers that they are planning the transition into the cloud, but with our hybrid cloud approach, they can be moving the operation as they need it without impacting the business continuity, and doing it smoothly and without risk.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and so I understand, Julian, that you've made some enhancements to your award-winning Smart Live Sports and Live Event solution. Can you explain what these are and what benefits they provide to broadcasters?
Yeah, the main focus of Smart Live is to be maximizing the performance and the production of content for our users, using AI tools and the metadata aggregation with our metadata engine module. For this NAB, what we were going to present, but we are delivering that functionality, is the replay detection that will allow the users to be automatically mark all the fragments where there is a replay, and so they can decide to include it or not into the final highlights or whatever. And also we are adding some key editing features in low-res for inserting graphics, and also by adding transitions to allow users to be customizing even more the content that they export to the social media.
Okay, and so continuing Tedial's participation in the IMF user group, HyperIMF maintains its position as the singular end-to-end IMF workflow. Can you explain how the solution's flexible and field-proven architecture can be deployed?
Yeah, HyperIMF has become like a true IMF end-to-end MAM solution because it provides workflows from the very beginning of the IMF packages ingest up to the final delivery. So HyperIMF, as it is based on the Tedial architecture, it can be deployed on-premise, it can be deployed in the cloud, it can be deployed in the hybrid environment. And also, it is designed to guarantee and to optimize the cost of adoption IMF. Why? Because some of the new versions that they have to be generating can be done in low-res, so they don't have to be moving and processing the huge IMF packages. And also because some new versions can be created automatically on the fly for the delivery. So, and also the other key thing about HyperIMF is that it will allow also the users to be adopting IMF smoothly, again, because they can be moving or migrating their content into components and in our solution, and then be migrating into IMF in a later stage.
Okay, well, Julian, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.
You can find out more about all of these products and services that we've discussed today at tdl.com.